Nvidia's RTX 5000 series of graphics cards has been the subject of tech rumors for over a year now, and one of the most talked about is the Nvidia RTX 5090. This graphic card, which is the favorite of the series, will probably be the best graphics card on the market when it is released, especially in terms of raw performance. Let's take a look at the features of RTX 5090. According to claims and leaked information, significant changes are planned for the RTX 5090 graphic card compared to previous versions. The new model will adopt a dual slot and dual fan configuration, as opposed to the larger 3-slot design commonly used in cards like the RTX 4090 and RTX 4080. According to the leaks, the size is smaller and thinner than other cards, making it sleek and stylish as well as powerful and pleasing to the eye. This size reduction represents a significant advancement in Nvidia's thermal management technology, enabling effective dissipation of heat from over 400 watts of power in a more compact form. This change could indicate the implementation of a new cooling solution or a significant efficiency improvement in GPU architecture. Nvidia's upcoming RTX 5090 utilizes the Blackwell GPU architecture, renowned for its efficient performance and heat management. This architecture supports its slimmed-down design, enabling the card to deliver a significant amount of computing power without excessive heat generation. The leaked information also reveals that the RTX 5090 will have 2 fans despite the thinner design. The architecture to be used in RTX 5090 is envisaged as Blackwell 2.0. The Blackwell GPU architecture incorporates 6 transformative technologies for accelerated computing that will make a big impact in data processing, engineering simulation. The Blackwell GPU architecture incorporates 6 transformative technologies for accelerated computing that will make a big impact in data processing, engineering simulation, electronic design automation, computer-aided drug design, quantum computing, and generative artificial intelligence, emerging industry opportunities for Nvidia graphics cards. As for the memory specifications of RTX 5090, we are greeted with very satisfying leaks. According to these leaks, 2GB GDDR7 modules, 28GB total capacity, 28 gigabits per second speed, 1568 gigabytes per second maximum memory bandwidth will be among the memory features of the RTX 5090. Chipel forum member Panzerlead, who previously claimed that the RTX 5090 design consists of 3 parts, and whose claim was confirmed by various sources, has now suggested that the RTX 5090 will use a 448-bit memory bus instead of a 512-bit memory bus. This means that the RTX 5090 will only be able to utilize 14 of the available 16 memory modules, not all of them. If Nvidia sticks to the 448-bit memory bus, this would mean that the RTX 5090 will have 28 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory. Since the memory speed was leaked earlier, and now we know the memory bus details, the bandwidth can be calculated at 1568 gigabytes per second, regardless of the memory capacity. This represents a 50% increase compared to the RTX 4090. Let's take a look at the RTX 5090's output ports and connection options. According to the leaked information, current data shows that the RTX 5090 will have HDMI 2.1 support as well as DisplayPort 2.1, while the Ada Lovelace series, which does not offer DisplayPort 2.1 support, will also be updated. Comparing the RTX 5090 and its processor, the RTX 4090 gives us an idea of the advancements and improvements we can expect. The RTX 4090 uses GDDR6X technology, 384-bit memory bus width, and 24 gigabytes of RAM. The RTX 5090 is expected to use GDDR7 technology, 448-bit memory bus width, and 28 gigabytes of RAM. With these differences, it is quite usual for the 5090 to provide a significant performance increase, especially in ray tracing and artificial intelligence supported tasks. While the RTX 4090 architecture uses Ada Lovelace, the RTX 5090 will use Blackwell 2.0, a new technology. This optimization can lead to much better power efficiency, making the RTX 5090 more efficient than the RTX 4090. Advanced features such as higher VRAM, better cooling solutions, and new AI capabilities are expected to put the RTX 5090 ahead of the RTX 4090. What about the average price of this performance monster? Although we are not sure of its validity, RTX 5090 prices are planned to be between $1,600 to $3,000. Of course, these numbers are just a prediction. While the RTX 5090 is expected to be released, it is important to consider that the RTX 4090 already offers excellent performance and can comfortably run all available games at 4K resolution. While the RTX 5090 certainly promises impressive performance for gamers and professionals utilizing the power of the RTX 4090, the RTX 5090 is more of a luxury upgrade rather than a requirement. Of course, cost is also an important factor here. The RTX 5090 is likely to have a high price tag reflecting its high performance. The RTX 4090, on the other hand, remains in a high price range and still stands out as an impressive option with its performance, even though it has been nearly 2 years since its release. RTX 5090's pros: it is much faster than older models with the use of GDDR7 memory type, and it is successful in eliminating heating problems with the use of a new model and more technologically advanced cooling. 448-bit memory bus width and 28GB of RAM usage make it a performance monster. RTX 5090's cons: it has been suggested that the RTX 5090 will use a 448-bit memory bus instead of a 512-bit. This means that the RTX 5090 will only be able to utilize 14 of the 16 available memory modules, not all 16. If a 448-bit bus is used as stated, the RTX 5090 can use limited memory modules. Considering our data and leaks so far, the RTX 5090, with its impressive capabilities, could enable more immersive virtual reality experiences, complex AI computations, and real-time 3D rendering at previously unimaginable scales. RTX 5090 will be an ideal choice for those who demand the best performance, whether it's competitive gaming, content creation, or computational work. This is a GPU designed for those who want to be on the cutting edge and deliver top performance for years to come. The potential impacts of the RTX 5090 are set to influence how we interact with digital content, from gaming to professional creative work. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.